What up guys, in this video I'll go over what will I go over? I don't know. I'll go over while loop program in this video. I know I haven't been making videos for a while, I'm sorry, but yeah, I have my exams coming up in 22 days. Yeah, 22 days. So I really need to start studying. I only have 3 weeks left. So let's get into some programming. A while loop program. Now let me tell you what the program's gonna be like. The program is gonna be something like you're gonna have to keep on accepting or inputting numbers from the user, taking in numbers from the user, that is the person using the program, and you're gonna have to find the sum of the even numbers and the sum of the odd numbers. And when the user enters the number 0, the program stops and it prints those sums. So let's call our class numbers. So import java.io.star, because we're gonna be using buffered reader, because you need to take input. Public void main throws IO exception. Buffered reader br equals new buffered reader new input stream reader. I know this is really boring, but what to do? Still not in. Now let's get into the proper programming, not the boring stuff. So you're gonna keep accepting numbers from the user till the user enters 0. When he enters 0, you have to print the sum of odd numbers and the sum of even numbers. Now int odd sum equals 0. Let's set it to 0 initially, and even sum equals 0. And let's keep 1 for number. So you wanna run this loop while the number is not equal to 0. So while the number is not equal to 0, just keep running the loop. System.out.println. I'm gonna ask the user for a number. Enter a number. Num equals br integer.parseInt br.readline. So that's where you're taking the input from the user. Now how to check if a number is even or if it's odd? I'll just get to that in a bit. I'll explain that, but before that, I hope you guys know what even and odd numbers are. I don't think any of you do. So I'm sure you guys know what even and odd numbers are. So how do you know if a number is even? The simplest way, I think, to find out whether a number is even or not is to divide it by 2. And if it is completely divided by 2, in the sense that if it gives no remainder after dividing it by 2, it's an even number. Like if you take any number, 500, 600, 700, all of them divide by 2 without giving any remainder. So it's as simple as that. That's an even number. So what is the command, or rather how do you check in Java whether a number is whether a number gives, or rather what remainder a number gives? I'm sure you guys must be remembering this. which I am abundantly creating on my screen, the modulus operator. So let's get into writing or checking whether a number is even. Let me comment this and say